This question we have received from America, Huzur. The questioner says that nowadays from many countries, including Bangladesh, some girls come here to study, continue their higher studies. They come on their own, stay on their own, without the supervision of their guardians or parents. The questioner wants to know whether is it allowed in Islam.
It is not advisable, because the atmosphere in these developed countries is very bad, and the influence of the society is also misleading. So they repented too late. They sent their girls unprotected, and when they are influenced by the society, then the parents repent too late. So it's better not to do that. Send them after their marriage for higher education along with their husbands. Like we see the case of Mr. Sadiq's daughter, and then they can get educated as much as they like. But to send virgin girls outside is very dangerous. It is like suicide.